I don't think there's anyone even close to Tesla on solving real-world AI. That same computer and software goes into Optimus.
The Tesla Bot Gen 2 can thread a needle, something that would take even a human 1 to 2 minutes to do, Musk has confirmed. Now, a new signal for the revolutionary Model 2 production line. The Optimus Gen 2, with a modern design, comes with a series of outstanding improvements, such as 30% increased movement speed and 22 pounds lighter. There's more to this launch. We're definitely seeing the future for the new models that'll be launched soon, especially the Model 2. So, how does the Tesla Bot Gen 2 promise? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content.
And I think the revolution in manufacturing that will be represented by that car will blow people's minds.
There is no doubt that 80% of this is what Musk has been hinting at about an unprecedented production line for Generation 3 electric vehicles. And it hints at a combination of machines and AI. This means that the Optimus Gen 2 will play a certain role with a $25,000 electric car to realize the early launch, as well as the expected demand of customers from 2020. The launch of Tesla Bot 2 at the end of 2023 marks a stepping stone for us to look forward to a very exciting year in 2024, when this new technology significantly overcomes the older generation. How is Tesla Bot Gen 2 improved compared to Gen 1? You know, Tesla Optimus is the pioneering technology in Elon Musk's artificial intelligence development project to serve all of his fields, such as vehicle manufacturing, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Because it's AI and AI cannot have limits or standards, it's understandable that Tesla Bot will be upgraded to replace humans more effectively. Looking at the performance of the first generations, Bumblebee 2022 and Optimus Gen 1, we have to admit that it was a breakthrough but somewhat lackluster. Even close customers or Tesla enthusiasts are skeptical about its practicality when considering the prototype's finishing movements and steps, which are quite sluggish and not agile enough to be likened to a robot from the 90s. That's why, before the end of 2023, Tesla continued to unveil the groundbreaking upgrade of the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 2. The truth is, without even looking at the performance or the tasks that Gen 2 can accomplish, the design alone makes us exclaim, wow. It's a significant upgrade, and we want to commend the design engineers for the perfect finishing down to every detail. It's hard to believe this is what Tesla can achieve in just 1 year. Optimus 2 looks much slimmer and more human-like with up to 85% completion. If in Generation 1 we still see a lack of aesthetics when the arms and legs still reveal heavy, rough iron frames, but in the new version, the improvement is significant. Tesla has covered most of the robot's exterior with a scratch-resistant white plastic shell, accompanied by a prominent Tesla lettering on the chest. If you pay close attention, the manufacturer seems to have reduced the aluminum and steel to make it look smoother and lighter. So the weight has been reduced by 22 pounds to 138 pounds compared to 160 pounds of the Tesla Bot 1. Reduced weight means walking speed will certainly be faster. According to Tesla, Optimus 2 will be 30% faster than Optimus 1, which will allow a robot to go 6.5 miles per hour instead of the previous 5 miles. Not only is the range longer, but it also gives a greater sense of flexibility and agility, which in turn creates efficiency for work in the factory. While it won't be breaking speed records anytime soon, it's starting to reach useful levels.
Every individual action, it needs to be able to walk around autonomously and solve tasks. You should be able to instruct it in simple things by showing visually what the robot needs to do, or just telling it what to do.
Not stopping there, one of the most challenging aspects of creating a useful humanoid robot is the hands, as they need to be strong enough to bear significant weight, yet precise enough to handle delicate objects. With Optimus 2, holding an egg has never been easier for a robot. In this upgrade, Tesla has showcased an Optimus with remarkably dexterous hand articulation, resembling that of a real human, featuring 11 degrees of freedom of motion along with tactile sensors on each finger to enable more delicate object manipulation. If, in the near future, it can autonomously peel a boiled egg, We wouldn't be surprised, as Tesla's technology is unpredictable. We don't know about you, but we've never seen a robot with such smooth hand gestures before. If you pay attention to the robot's neck portion, you can easily recognize additional neck joints, possibly 5 to 6, allowing for better rotation in various directions. In this upgrade, the manufacturer states that Robot Gen 2 has 2 degrees of freedom in the neck, incorporating electronics and a wiring system to observe objects in controlled directions with higher precision. Returning to Musk's drone dance, we don't know if this is a new feature to identify Optimus 2, but watching how they bounce to electronic music brings us to laughter not far behind its creator. The leg part has a more human-like foot shape, with toe joints and force torque sensors. Thanks to the new feet, the Tesla Bot 2 moves more smoothly, maintains better balance, and walks less like it's got messy pants. Besides the dancing performance, Optimus Gen 2 is also seen doing squat movements while maintaining balance, making everything quite interesting and captivating. The movements of Gen 2 Optimus and its performance are so smooth that members of the Tesla Bot team have posted on social media to clarify that the footage is real and not CGI. The Tesla Bot team also emphasizes that the robot's movement in the video were recorded in real time, not accelerated. Regarding the energy supply system for Optimus 2, we don't think Tesla is sticking with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack for this version. Although this size is better than traditional robots, we still expect a stronger battery to extend its operation. Hopefully, it could be in the range of 2.8 to 3 kilowatts an hour to convince customers. Like the battery pack, the official cost has not been disclosed yet, and there are speculations that it could be priced around $25,000 to $30,000. In our opinion, this seems like a reasonable price for a new technology with many functionalities. It would make sense for simple everyday tasks if it's released on the market in large quantities. Tesla plans to start using the robot in its manufacturing operations soon. After proving its usefulness, Tesla intends to start selling the robot. In a previous update about Optimus, Musk stated that the demand for Optimus is extremely high. He mentioned that the demand could be up to 10 to 20 billion units. Musk even went so far as to confidently predict that Optimus would constitute the majority of Tesla's long-term value. Why will the Optimus Gen 2 be a companion to Tesla Model 2? If the Optimus Gen 2 sells for around $25,000 each and the Model 2 is around the same price, it's a tough choice if they ever hit the market. Which one will you choose? Maybe both. We think the price is too easy for customers to own 2 new technologies from Tesla.
It is not like any car production line that anyone's ever seen.
In a conversation with Monroe, Musk mentioned a special, never-before-seen production line for the Model 2 at Giga Texas, reminiscent of a mechanical process combined with AI. Musk also said that the $25,000 car will represent a revolution, and many people assert that Optimus 2 will most likely be involved in the production of this hatchback in extremely large numbers of up to 42 million units.
So I think that's a key advantage that we have. And then we also are good at designing things for manufacturing.
First, Optimus Gen 2 is equipped with an advanced sensor system, 8 cameras with 360-degree viewing angle, and visibility up to 250 meters to help it to detect every detail and fluctuation on the production line. Especially Model 2 is produced in large quantities, so it is difficult to avoid mistakes and errors. If Tesla integrates robots into the production line, it would not only enhance precision but also help it adapt flexibly to any gaps in the production process or send system notifications if there are issues with components. In fact, implementing Optimus 2 would have several advantages over humans, as robots have the capability to automatically adjust and optimize operations more flexibly, minimizing errors and increasing productivity. With the 11 degrees of freedom in hand movement in the improved version, Optimus 2 can directly assist factory workers and engineers involved in assembling components, wiring systems, and arranging interiors for Model 2 according to the provided commands. The joint connections for the Model 2 frame parts can also be perfected when Tesla employs the robot for welding and fixing. On the other hand, the painting of the Model 2 can be entirely entrusted to this advanced machine, equipped with color recognition capabilities and even participating in printing logos or other decorative forms for the third-generation vehicle. Optimus Robot is a reliable partner in the vehicle manufacturing process, not only participating in the main assembly stages, but also taking on the responsibility of cleanliness and maintenance of the production line. With its flexibility, it can use water nozzles and other advanced cleaning devices to clean vehicle components, ensuring that each Model 2 produced meets the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. After completing the assembly process, Optimus Robot continues to work to clean up removed parts and enhance the efficiency of the production line. This automation not only helps reduce time and effort, but also ensures a safe and clean working environment. In this way, Optimus Robot is not only an integral part of the modern production process, but also contributes to maintaining and improving the quality of each Model 2 electric vehicle produced. The involvement of Optimus Robot in the production line of the $25,000 electric vehicle will help Tesla reduce manufacturing costs and increase productivity. Optimus Robot can operate 24/7 without the need for breaks or vacations, allowing Tesla to produce more electric vehicles in a given time frame and accelerate progress towards Musk's ambitious production targets. Additionally, Optimus Robot can perform tasks with precision and efficiency, helping Tesla ensure the quality of Model 2. Let's all remember that Tesla Optimus is only about a year old, so the progress here is truly remarkable. Imagine how it's going to be in 3 to 5 years, not to mention 10 years. Every new feature of the Optimus Gen 2 robot is impressive as we look at the history of Tesla developing it. From August 2021, at that time, all the company had was a static model and a man in a robot suit dancing on stage. Tesla has demonstrated the rapid progress of the Tesla bot. From the first Tesla bot just over 2 years ago, needing straps to hold it in place, the progress has truly been astonishing. This is another step towards AGI, artificial general intelligence, with AI in the real world. According to the CEO, Optimus will be able to thread a needle within a year. That's an ambitious goal, as even humans can struggle with threading a needle without the aid of a tool. If Optimus can achieve such an ambitious goal within just a year, Tesla will assert itself as one of the leading companies in efficiently manufacturing robots. In the latest groundbreaking development, Tesla has unveiled a robotic marvel, blurring the lines between artificial intelligence and human-like functionality. This Tesla bot, capable of walking in a remarkably human manner, showcases an uncanny ability to handle delicate objects with precision and mirroring the dexterity of a human hand. Equipped with tactile sensors, it not only navigates through fragile items like eggs, but also senses and adapts its grip accordingly. Looking ahead, the potential of the Tesla bot seems boundless. It's not a stretch to envision future updates, perhaps in the form of Optimus 3 or 4, introducing capabilities for climbing stairs and effortlessly carrying heavier loads. The prospect of such advancement positions Tesla at the forefront of robotics, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. Beyond its utilitarian functions, the Tesla bot's versatility is truly awe-inspiring. Earlier glimpses of the robot engaged in yoga showcased its ability to execute precise movements, a testament to its agility and adaptability. Now, the spectacle intensifies as the Tesla bot demonstrates squatting movements, maintaining balance in positions that require a sophisticated interplay of both mechanics and control. This achievement underscores the technical prowess embedded in the Tesla bot, solidifying its status as a transformative force in the realm of robotics. As Tesla continues to redefine expectations and push the envelope of innovation, the trajectory of the Tesla bot hints at a future where human-machine collaboration reaches new heights. The convergence of cutting-edge technology and intricate design principles propels us into a realm where the once fantastical notion of robots seamlessly integrating into our daily lives becomes a tangible reality. With each stride, the Tesla bot reshapes our understanding of what robots can achieve, setting the stage for a future where the extraordinary becomes the norm. In 2023, Tesla made a strong impression by introducing a range of advanced technology, including the Model 3 Highland, Powerwall Gen 3, Cybertruck, and the pinnacle being Optimus 2. Moving into 2024, the future looks promising with the exciting Juniper project, along with a series of other mysterious technologies expected to be officially unveiled. Looking at the current situation after 2 years, one can't help but wonder, where will we be in 2 or 4 years? It's believed that in just 1 or 2 years, we'll witness the explosion of the Tesla bot, a new icon expected to become a stock pump for Tesla. along with the launch of the Model 2. So, do you want to own a Tesla Optimus to serve your life? It can also become a soulmate for those who are lonely in the crowded New York City.
The Tesla team are making great progress in 1 year, building a couple of machines, from scratch. That's remarkable. They're shining a spotlight on the importance of this technology, which we've been arguing for 30 years.
With the Tesla Optimus, Tesla has come a long way in a short time. 3 generations of robots in just 16 months. And each generation is a promise for the successor product. If the Bumblebee prototype is the initial foundation that brought Tesla into the field of robot development, Optimus Gen 1 is a demonstration that Tesla has a long-term strategy to produce this technology. Then, at the end of 2023, Optimus 2 was released to the surprise of the fan community. And questions like whether or not it could compete with Atlas Boston Dynamic were discussed quite a lot. So, if we had a robot Olympics, what do you think the winner would be? Comparing these two technologies is in some ways quite disadvantageous for Tesla because Boston Dynamics has more than 20 years of experience developing robots, while Tesla has only entered this field for less than 2 years. However, even if SpaceX catches up with NASA, it is completely easy to imagine a new Tesla robot technology that's more advanced than its predecessors. How is Optimus 2 compared to Atlas Robot? First, let's talk about design and dimensions. Although Atlas Bot shows its agility, its design is as outdated as a pile of glued metal. The Atlas Bot is primarily constructed of a mixture of 3D printed parts from titanium, aluminum, and a rudimentary piece of plastic shielding. The structure is 80% metal, so the weight is quite heavy at 196 pounds, with a height of about 4 feet 10 inches. In contrast, if there were a ranking of the most human-like and perfect, we're confident Optimus Gen 2 is at the top right now, and far ahead of Atlas when it comes to physique and being completely disguised when wearing clothes. Optimus 2 is mainly composed of 60% aluminum and 40% polyurethane plastic, which covers almost the entire robot. Tesla will not use carbon fiber for the Optimus 2 because it's quite expensive and difficult to produce. Thanks to using less metal in favor of plastic, Optimus 2 will be significantly lighter, weighing only 138 pounds after losing 22 pounds in the new update. This has helped add a big plus compared to the Atlas Bot. According to the figures we compiled, the Tesla Optimus 2 also demonstrates a better payload carrying capacity of 45 pounds instead of the 25-pound that the Atlas Boston can do. This advantage allows Tesla Bot to be more flexible with heavy goods or carry more objects if required. We know that after improving the travel speed by 30%, Optimus 2 can travel a range of 6.5 miles per hour instead of the previous 5 miles. Doing a simple calculation, we'll have the speed of Tesla Bot at 2.9 meters per second, which is faster than Atlas Boston's 2.5 meters a second. Remember, we are talking about walking speed. So, why does Atlas demonstrate good mobility but still seems to be just a cover-up for weak technology? In promotional videos about Atlas Bot, we often see it demonstrating its flexibility with a variety of actions such as parkour jumping, somersaulting, and climbing, which are quite impressive compared to its speed of 2.5 meters a second. At first glance, it seems much more advanced than Optimus, but it's a perfect cover-up. Specifically, Atlas uses a pre-programmed computer vision-based perception system, and it is not highly feasible for unexpected situations. In contrast, the Tesla Optimus uses a perception system based on AI. The robot operates entirely based on 8 cameras with 360-degree viewing angles that come with LiDAR and radar sensors instead of being manually programmed. The AI system in the first Optimus 2 receives information from sensors to create 3D models of the environment. This model is used to navigate the robot and avoid obstacles. AI systems also use image and video data to learn how to perform complex actions such as grasping and moving objects. Tesla's neural network is trained end-to-end, meaning it learns the entire task as a whole, eliminating the need to break it down into smaller, separate tasks. Tesla's modern approach helps minimize complex problems with data and code. With abundant high-quality data, robots can adapt to new tasks without much reprogramming. More comprehensible, Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is more advanced and superior to Tesla's robot in terms of skills and complex physics when performing acrobatics, running, and jumping that closely resemble human movements. However, Tesla's robot evidently excels in decision-making for task execution due to Tesla's advanced AI data analysis technology. The Optimus 2 AI perception system allows the robot to learn and adapt to the environment more effectively. What does the hand design of the two robot technologies prove? The Optimus hand features 11 degrees of freedom, designed based on the human hand structure, complete with fingers capable of generating frictional force to grasp objects, even smooth ones like an egg, creating a scene reminiscent of a Hollywood movie. However, when looking at Atlas, we observe two plastic hands that are often round or sometimes have a less aesthetically pleasing crab-like shape. Although Boston Dynamics Atlas has 12 degrees of freedom, they are not integrated into the hands but are instead supplemented into the forearm, with each forearm having 6 degrees of freedom. This allows Atlas to lift heavy objects relatively easily compared to the Tesla bot, but the safety and stability of objects on the hand cannot be compared to Optimus 2. Optimus's hand is equipped with sensors to perceive objects in the surrounding environment, enabling the robot to carry out cargo transportation tasks more accurately. What difference do electric drive and hydraulic drive make? The significant difference between two robot technologies also arises from their transmission systems. As we know, Tesla's Optimus 2 utilizes an advanced electric transmission system designed by Tesla, while Atlas employs a hydraulic transmission system. Classifying these two transmission systems will bring specific advantages and disadvantages to each robot generation. If the transmission system of the Optimus Gen 1 primarily uses electricity to generate motion through a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, Tesla may have upgraded the battery pack to 2.8 or 3 kilowatt-hours for the second generation. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics Atlas relies on hydraulic oil as the transmission fluid through hydraulic pumps. So, how versatile are the Optimus Gen 2 and Atlas with their separate powertrains? Because of the different structures, the electric drive system will be flexible in operation, easy to control speed, and have direct movement. Atlas may need time to build up hydraulic pressure before it can operate, while Optimus can start up immediately. It will also be highly efficient, especially in applications that require precision control in production. In other words, the Atlas hydraulic drive system will be suitable for applications that require large forces and need more stability than the Tesla bot. Thanks to pre-programming combined with a powerful transmission system, Atlas shows mobility in running steps or operations that Optimus might not be able to do at present. For Optimus Gen 2, the electric transmission system will be lighter, accounting for 35% of the robot's weight, and may be suitable for applications requiring lightweight and easy integration into combat systems. In addition to the type of materials used for the robot, this factor also contributes to making the Tesla Bot 2 lighter by about 58 pounds compared to its counterpart. Not only that, thanks to a relatively simple structure of the electric transmission system, Optimus 2 will be simpler to maintain and require less maintenance compared to the hydraulic system of Atlas. On the other hand, as we have seen, Atlas Boston has more weight due to the presence of a hydraulic oil system and pump. Additionally, because feed fluids can cause oil leaks and environmental and safety impacts, periodic maintenance is required to check and maintain performance. In Optimus, simply replace the battery if there are signs of slow charging or degradation, usually for 1.5 years if used continuously every day. Another factor that must be mentioned is engine noise. The Atlas's hydraulic system is noisier than the quiet operation of the Tesla Optimus electric motor. This is something we are quite concerned about because in case they are sold on the market to serve customers but continuously emit noise, it will negatively affect the usage experience. Of course, no one wants to buy a noisy machine. So, how will these two robots be commercialized? Easy to recognize when looking at the design of two robots, Atlas and Optimus, which were created for very different purposes. Atlas is designed for research purposes only, unlike Optimus, which Musk plans to commercialize on the market. Musk said in the presentation that he wants to produce 1 million Optimus, with the price dropping below $20,000. The price may potentially increase to $30,000 in the future, but compared to what we know, it remains more affordable than Atlas, which is rumored to be priced up to $150,000. This is because Boston Dynamics' robot took nearly 20 years to complete, incurring significantly higher costs due to the operation of the hydraulic system, which can be expensive to maintain over time due to fluid replacements and leak repairs. It's worth noting that Boston Dynamics' four-legged robot Spot is sold for $74,000. According to experts, humanoid robots like Atlas are priced at least around $150K. So, what would robot technology look like if Elon Musk and Boston Dynamics cooperated? It's too bad that engineers from two companies can't work together to produce the same robot. Many interesting opinions responded. Why didn't Elon Musk spend $60 billion to buy Boston Dynamics instead of Twitter? They believe that Atlas robot shows 50 times more flexibility and mobility than Optimus Bot. But they also agreed it doesn't show much promise when programmed. So when considering the future vision, we dare to assert that if Tesla combines with Boston, both Optimus or Atlas will have much more promise to be popular in the real world. The reality is that Boston Dynamics' Atlas will be prioritized for technology research, while Tesla Bot, from its inception, has been designated for commercial purposes and integration into production lines at Tesla's gigafactories, with repetitive tasks in mind. So, while you might think comparing them is like comparing fire with water, our intention is to objectively differentiate the strengths and weaknesses of both robots. This comparison aims to consider how collaboration between the two manufacturers might lead to the creation of a technology that surpasses current expectations, perhaps resulting in a perfect robot that no one could have ever imagined. Imagine combining the natural and fast movements of a Boston Dynamics robot integrated with a modern AI brain and the ability to do things flexibly thanks to the superior hands of Optimus 2. Wow, that would be a powerful combination. Wouldn't it be scary if there was such a robot around supporting us every day, perhaps even a guard? Shortly, the release of a large number of Tesla's Optimus robots in 2025 could mark an important step in the development of the company and Elon Musk. After escaping the Cybertruck production hell, Tesla can shift its focus to the robot and low-cost EV markets. Optimus Gen 3, Tesla's next generation of robots, is likely to appear as early as 2024, marking an important step forward in the development of robot technology. With continuous innovation, its perfection is significantly improved, bringing a better experience to users. The new battery pack, with a capacity of more than 3 kilowatt-hours, promises to provide stable and reliable energy. Optimus Gen 3's walking speed is enhanced, surpassing the current generation 2, while providing flexible and efficient movement. Tesla Bot, expected to be a breakthrough in the technology field, can simultaneously help customers and businesses improve work performance. When introduced with the low-cost electric vehicle Tesla Model 2 with a price tag of only $20,000 to $25,000, Tesla is demonstrating its commitment to bringing modern technology to consumers with cheap prices. This action not only expands Tesla's influence in the field of electric vehicles, but also makes robot technology more friendly and accessible to all walks of life. This could be an important step in shaping the future of technology and also establish Elon Musk and Tesla as leaders in both fields. The collaboration between Elon Musk and Boston Dynamics could also lead to the creation of new robots with capabilities that surpass our imagination. For instance, robots could be utilized for space exploration to serve SpaceX's missions, or to assist humans in high-risk rescue missions during natural disasters, especially in the United States where such occurrences are more prevalent. The integration of advanced robotics in these scenarios could significantly enhance the efficiency and safety of such operations. The potential applications of this collaboration extend beyond everyday tasks, reaching into realms that involve exploration, disaster response, and potentially transformative advancements in various fields. As the Atlas robot has been in development for a longer period, it naturally garners more attention than the entirely new Tesla Optimus. However, it is disheartening that Atlas was not constructed as a consumer product. One must also come to terms with the fact that all acrobatic and parkour maneuvers performed by Boston Dynamics Atlas are pre-programmed routines. It genuinely cannot search for your tools and bring them to you upon request. Despite Boston Dynamics working on these aspects for decades, their robots have not yet transcended beyond pre-trained, potentially hazardous maneuvers. These robots still lack practical functionality. While Boston Dynamics robots may boast superior physical capabilities, even robots like Atlas cannot use their hands to pick up objects, despite being programmatically equipped to do so. Put simply, while Atlas may be the best bot currently available, there are other robots with similar capabilities. The more complex abilities of humans currently surpass the capabilities of all robotic companies. Among them, Tesla is promising the most human-like qualities for Optimus. Despite minimal capabilities, Optimus still impresses with its short processing time. As Musk stated at this event, Optimus will be amazing in 5 years, 10 years. This time, can we believe him? Let us know which robot technology you prefer more, Optimus or Boston Dynamics Atlas, and how you perceive the potential of these robot technologies in shaping the future. We appreciate your contribution. We hope you'll have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun in Christmas season.